Welcome, everyone. Here are 15 lines speech on Christmas Day. Good morning, everyone. Today, I am going to speak about the festival of Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year. It marks the birth of Jesus Christ. On this day, people decorate their homes with stars and lights. Children look forward to Santa Claus and his gifts. Santa reminds us to be cheerful and kind. Christmas trees are decorated with bells, lights, and ribbons. Families come together to celebrate this special day. People exchange gifts and wish each other happiness. People bake cakes, sing carols, and share tasty treats. Christmas is a time to spread love and happiness. It teaches us to share with others, especially those in need. The message of Christmas is love, peace, and togetherness. Let us celebrate this Christmas with a happy and pure heart. Thank you, and Merry Christmas to everyone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more fun videos.